Okay, experiment number 2.
All right, so we're gonna try the same experiment, boys and girls, but this time, instead of using the Tide Pod, we're gonna use some dish soap. Now, I don't think it needs to be palm olive, but this is, you know, the Cadillac of dish soaps, obviously, so. So again, we're gonna start with the milk. And Miss Galloway, would you like maybe, last time we did, what did we do last time? Blue and red?
Yeah.
Should we do yellow and green this time, perhaps?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna do that yellow in the middle, so we all know how this works now. And then that green on the outside. So,
Can we do 3 colors?
Oh, of course we can. What other color would you like in there?
Can we do red?
That's what I was thinking as well.
Yeah.
Red, kind of a little Christmassy to me, which I like.
Ooh, cool.
Okay, so we've got our 3 colors there. And again, boys and girls, we're gonna stop the video here. We're gonna pause it. And we're going to ask that you make some predictions. Maybe talk with your mom and dad about what you think is going to happen. Draw a picture. You could even try this experiment and send us a little picture or video about how it goes for you. And yeah, so we will be back tomorrow with the results.